Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 57 of our 100-day price action challenge. I think right now you might be understanding the power of charts by this now because you have seen a very drastic sell-off today. Although Nifty was down only 100 points, but just look at small cap, it is down 3.5%, and look at microcap, it is down almost to the 4%. So that's a massive fall. I think just in the last 7 days itself, I guess your portfolio would be down by at least 7.5%, 8%. In fact, few stocks would be down by at least 30 to 50%, right? That's how the bad market right now. But look at Nifty 50, it is still holding up. That's why I guess blue chip stocks are the most institutional favorites because they are the quality companies, they are fundamentally strong companies. And to my surprise, Nifty is still holding this 22,800 level. That's wonderful, at least for Nifty 50 stocks. Whereas Nifty Junior is still struggling. Look at Nifty chart and look at Nifty Junior chart. Nifty Junior is still struggling. It is below its election low, whereas Nifty 50 is not still above its election lows, right? So as of now, Nifty 50 is acting very stronger related to other names. But despite talking about the strong, even Nifty is down almost how much percent? It is almost down 13.5%. Whereas from the top, Nifty Junior is down almost 25%. Whereas mid cap, probably this is the top, right? Mid cap is down 23%, micro cap is down 23%. So roughly Nifty Junior, mid cap, small cap, and micro cap were down 23-24% from their peak. So what's now for the market? I guess that's the most important question as of now. So ideally, this is where people usually move. The fundamental or the smart money moves from small caps to larger caps. That's why I guess Mr. Narayan of ICICI has told you that small caps and mid caps are not at all looking attractive, and that's why we are seeing a major huge sell off today. So Nifty Junior has closed at a very crucial support zone, below its crucial support zone. I think it's a bit tough time. Even I'm literally shocked to see this kind of selling, rapid selling happening in Nifty Microcap and Small Cap. Probably in 2018, this kind of selling was happened, but it happened over a period of 2-3 years. But lately, the market cycles have shrinked. So earlier it used to take 20-30% correction over a 8 month period, over a 1.5 year, over a 2 year period. But right now, hardly. See, we were somewhere around the mid December, we were down almost 22-25%, right? So that's a drastic fall when it comes to the mid cap and small cap. Overall, the Nifty 500 too is holding between this crucial support because of the drag created by the mid cap as well as small cap. Looks like the market is very volatile, and gold is not even listening. It has made a new all-time high today. Now it is at 86,300. Even silver gave a fantastic breakout today. I think this is a wonderful breakout in silver. So this was the first entry we were talking about, and probably today makes the second entry. So gold and silver are acting very well. Bank Nifty is holding up. Private bank is holding up, but PSU bank a drastic selling. 2% of correction, not at all good. Even IT was flat today, so probably thanks to large cap IT names. Auto has made a new low today. Probably the next week would be very crucial. If it goes below this, probably we might be seeing another 8% of correction in the auto. Reality already made a new low today. Pharma is also not looking good. Infra not looking good. FMCG literally hit had made a low long back. Even telecom, healthcare index, medium again down 4%. So probably the most weakest sector is media. Now it is actually very interesting because small cap, mid cap were down 4%, whereas Nifty is down 100%. So let's look at our 100 stocks which are holding up. Reliance did not correct, it is flat. TCS is almost flat again. HDFC Bank is too flat. So you are seeing a common pattern. The top index weights. There is no selling in the top index weights. That's a very important point you have to focus on here. It means that smart institutions or big players are not selling off these names. Even the retail investors might be not selling these names. Look at Infosys, look at ICICI. See, SBI is little weaker. I would agree that at least 1, 2, 3, 4. These top 5, 6 names are very stronger. ITC is becoming weaker. Hindustan Unilever did nothing for last 3 years. LIC made a new low today, 3.5%. I really wish I have shorted here. See, it is down almost 6%. Probably from this level, LIC was down another 15%. HCL Tech flat, L&T holding at its support. Sun Pharma too not doing that great. Bajaj Finance is still holding up a very, very strong name in such market. NTPC not at all good. Axis Bank has also gave up few gains, but looks like it is forming a little base over here. Let's wait and see. Overall, the entire trend of Axis Bank is not at all good, so it's waste of time even noticing this little base. Maruti has also lost its charm because auto is not at all looking good. Probably NBFC. Kotak had a reversal today, so let's wait and see. As long as it holds up this gap, I would see this gap as very important support zone as of now for Kotak. As long as this is above this gap, the stock is acting very well. Mahindra and Mahindra not looking that interesting today. ONGC went down. Tata Motors very weak. Ultratech still in the range bound. Adani it's losing. I guess Adani would also be seen a massive sell-off. It has literally made this low again. Almost it is testing these lows again. So not at all good. Power Grids are rapid selling. Titan too very weak name. Bajaj Auto again broke down this line. Probably this line would be, I guess, Bajaj Auto has also become very weak. Auto is not at all looking good. Auto space is not great. Adani Ports down 4%. Coal India 2%. Very weak names. These are Asian Paints. But Wipro is holding. See, there are few selecting names. Top 5 names now Wipro, Kotak Mahindra, Hindustan Aeronautical very weak. If it breaks this level, probably another sell-off might happen. So it's a very crucial for Hindustan Aeronautical. Bajaj Finserv still holding, that's wonderful. DMart not looking great. Trent made a new low today. Adani Green new low today. Simons made another new low today. These are the stocks not fundamentally great, I guess. JSW still holding up. That's really good for JSW still. Adani Power not that great. Zomato already very weak. Nestle very weak. IOC2 made a new low today. See again broke down this level. Made a new low today. Bharat Electronics too made a new low today. Perfect short entry would be given in the Bharat Electronics. Varun Beverages, another massive fall. See, I think Varun Beverages is going to severely get hit in this correction because it had huge rally. That doesn't mean that the stock had to see a sell-off, but again, the fundamentals are getting weaker. I guess it. These look at these volumes. These volumes are indicating that means that institutions are selling up. So not great. Geo Finance, it's very clear. I have been highlighting Geo Finance. It's one of the weakest names. DLF is also very weak. Tata still holding up. Vedanta not so great here. Grasim holding up, still surprised. IRFC, I think this is also we would be seeing this sell off. Probably, let's hope. Let me delete this drawing. Let me draw a line here. If it holds this level, it's good. If it breaks this level, I think we might be seeing another correction. LTIM not so great. Indigo is also, it has taken a reversal. It was acting well. I thought it would move up to this level, but not great. Tech Mahindra still holding up, at least in such market condition. If the stock is holding up, you have to feel very great about it. Because the other, look at mid cap and small caps, they are falling by 6%, 8%, 10% each stock. SBLF not so great. Pidilite sideways. ABB weaker name. Divi still holding up. HDFC2 holding up, trying to form a bottom here. At least it is not making a new low. Hindalco is also trying to form a bottom here, I guess. PFC making new lows, very weak. Britannia, nothing interesting. Ambuja is also sliding down. Gale, very weak name. Tata Power, very weak. So, one thing we are noticing, which is PSU names are weaker. Power names are weaker. See, REC, PSU name. Motherson, Sumi, auto names are getting weaker. Motherson, Bosch, Tata Motors. BPCL even oil and energy except Reliance is holding up. If Reliance is going to correct, I guess Nifty would be seeing a severe correction. But BPCL not so great. Godrej Consumer FMCG is another space which is very weak. Eicher Motors, the results were disappointing. I guess that's very clear as of now. See, From the last how many sessions? 10 sessions. 10 out of 10, all 10 days were negative. So it is the results disappointment. Baroda made a new low today. Ipla holding up JSW Energy very weak, very very weak. See the look at the fall. It 30% in last 30 days. And from the peak, I guess it is down how much? 46%. If you have made 100% return, let's say in JSW Steel, if you have invested somewhere in this low, you would be very happy that I made almost 80% return, but now you are staying in negative. See, that's why protecting the profits is very important, and having a little bit of knowledge on charts is essential, at least in such times. Tata Motors very weak. Sorry, TVS Motor. Torrent Pharma made a new low. I did not expect this. I thought maybe let's wait. It might give a little shakeout, I guess. So let's wait and see. Sriram Finance still in the downtrend. Sola Finance is holding up. That's very interesting. Bajaj Holding is also staying there. That's interesting. Adani Energy not great. Punjab National Bank, see, it made a new low. Broke down its support. I think the game of PSU Max is also not at all looking good the future. Dr. Reddy is not great. United Spirits made a new low today. See, not so great. So probably a little reversal from here would be a perfect short opportunity, I guess. Lodha, nothing interesting. Still below trend line. I prove very weak. Havels is also trying to make a new low today. Bosch, one of the weakest name. Apollo Hospitals losing it. It is losing it. When it broke down on this results day, that's it. That's the main primary exit for Apollo Hospitals. Zydus Life also down today, I guess. Zydus might be also forming a new low. Hero MotoCorp, oh my god, how much would it correct? I think it's getting little bit scary as we are going down. I don't own these names, I'm in 100% cash, but yet I feel somewhat scared or afraid of looking at charts. Imagine the people, imagine investors. How are you holding it? Please put it in the comment section. How are you handling this correction emotionally? I want to understand, I want to know. Please share your experience in the comment section. Naukri, not at all. Okay, at least Naukri is holding up relatively better. Tata Consumer, very choppy name. Dabur, nothing interesting. Lombard, ICICI Lombard, probably it has made a new low today. See, Jindal still trying to fill this gap, decent as of now. Cement is still holding up. So if it breaks about 29,000, I guess this would be my first entry, I guess. I've been watching it for many days and it is acting very well. Interesting, very interesting. See, the volumes are also good on positive days. Canara Bank broke down. Huge breakdown. I guess that's the exit for Canara Bank. See, today's is I think in the this week I've told that let's wait for the weekly closing for Canara Bank. I guess Canara made an exit today. Union Bank too not great. IndusInd slowly reversing down. Adani Total Gas very weak, NHPC very weak, BHCL very weak, and IRCTC very weak. So I guess this week was very tough for traders, very tough for investors. If you are a trader who is shorting the market, I guess you are enjoying this market because of that such wild news. But again, there were few days where you have seen a sharp pullbacks too. Of course, it's becoming difficult to trade as of now. I'm still in 100% cash and I am willing to be in 100% cash. I don't know how long it would be, but let's see. Let's meet you in the next weekend. Have a great weekend. Please let me know how you are handling this market experience. See you on the Monday. Thank you.